Wonder if there's peace I could find.
What's going on, guys?
Trying to get the window open.
We're starting a new episode of Last Minute Livin. We're out here on the beach, surprisingly not raining. How good. We're gonna attempt fishing again. Everyone knows that our track record's not very good, but Seldy is quite confident he's catching a fish. So Misha's perched up. Watch her actually catch more fish than us from there. But anyway, we're gonna set up.
That's not actually a joke.
She will catch more fish than us.
Every single time we've fished together since we've been together, I've either caught nothing or the smallest fish. Hate it, but it is what it is.
So we're gonna get Misha's rod in the water, then we'll just, I don't know,
have a running race on the beach.
Cruise around, maybe have a few drinks. And then hopefully we will get a ripper sunset because that sun is bloody beautiful. Let's go.
Running out till I can feel you near. I need a new purpose. I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching. You're just what I'm.
What happened, Derek? Too scared to get bogged again, were you? Luckily we got the professional drivers on today.
There's some place for safety I could go. Run away, run away, run away to your escape. Run away, run away, run away. You're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away to your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away.
Come on. Come on. Surely not. Is this first catch of the day?
We need a salty fish show slogan. Don't we?
Sure do.
Dylan, look!
No.
The seaweed monster.
Hang on.
No, there's a fish on there.
Oh!
There's a fish.
Papa!
Oi!
Nah, that's not.
Hey!
Yeah.
Oh well, that's a catch nonetheless. That is a catch for Team Selden. Misha, where's your fish?
Leah, can you go get that wood, please?
Where's your fish?
Up here.
Table?
The fish is in the ocean.
Yep.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Can't get past the first wave. I think I need a bigger
Touch
rod.
it!
Hang it, the rod there.
It's so slimy!
Don't like it, Aaliyah?
Disgusting, no.
Oh.
Pooey! Ew,
First
it's on
catch.
the hand out, it's pooey.
First catch.
Kiss it and put it back.
Negative.
Why not?
There'll be no kissing and perches.
Why not?
I'm sure it's a perch.
Let's our salty fishers.
Oh, salty.
What is
Did he
this?
just poo in my van?
What is this? Cheers. Here's to bigger and better fish.
Days in the darkness, without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head.
was flying the drone, Misha's evened the scores. Mish,
Where are the fish at? Where's all the fish at?
you got to get one more to be able to sell.
Yeah, true.
So
I don't care what it is. I just got to get a fish.
that's the numbers. That's it. That's it. We're not really
Whether we
too
eat it or
picky.
not, Whether it's this
We can barely catch them as it is, so we'll just take the win.
bloody wave.
That's 2. The waves keep getting bigger. Tide's going out. Derek and Kaylee are here. Looks like Derek's still rigging up. He's been here for at least an hour.
He's just not sure. He's amazing at casting.
He's amazing at casting. We'll throw that one at the end of the video. We've got a beauty. We'll go check in with him and see what he's doing, because it doesn't look like a whole lot, to be honest. Derek, mate,
Yeah, buddy.
you're still rigging up.
Oh no, this is the second lot, buddy.
Why? What happened to the first rig?
This big fish took it, mate.
Yeah,
I think it was a
right.
fucking shark.
How come you didn't bring it in? Again, we'll show you his cast at the end of the video.
There's more
Misha,
fish in the morning.
apparently, according to the big fisherman over there, Misha.
Well, let's not be honest.
So I hate to break it to you, but you realise Misha's now even the scores.
You don't need to break it to me. I was gutted about 10 minutes ago. I saw her bring that fish.
I bet. Luckily I got it on the drone, eh?
No, that's
Yeah.
bad.
We got proof.
No, that's not what I want.
See, you can't escape
Look
this
at that
one, mate.
sun behind us. We're like,
That is. Look at that. That's Instagram worthy. Look at that. Magical.
big IG, Instagram worthy with his.
Did he get it on video?
Oh damn it!
It's all right. We've got one of his terrible casts.
Derek did
Just
the
imagine
old,
it. The second one was exactly the same, except he lost his rig.
Derek did the old cast out from the beach as hard as he can, didn't lift the bail off.
Classic. Anyway, Seldy's going back out. He's confident. He's pretty confident there's something out there.
Here, fishy. Come on, fish. I need to give it a yee for salty.
So while we're here, just gonna sit up on my back of my car. Now, I've usually got an 80-litre fridge in the back of my car. This trip, being an overnighter, I've decided to just pack a smaller fridge. This smaller fridge has a bit of a story. So if you look here, this is an Engel. And what I can tell you about this Engel is it's bloody old. It's actually my great granddad's. Now he is, I'm pretty sure he's 105 this year. He's still kicking, war veteran, got some stories, I can tell you that. He's even written a book, amazing guy. But this is actually his. I'm not sure when he bought it. I don't know how old it is, but I can tell you what, this thing is bloody old. So still goes like a charm. Got it hooked up to my Engel battery box, which you would have seen in my car rundown. But yeah, she's doing the job, so that's all that matters.
Let's catch a whopper.
Big fish only. Big fish for the big rod.
2 hands.
The two-handed whopper.
Let's hope that this is a good car.
It better be, you're on camera, Mish.
Okay. Don't let any waves come down.
Give it your best. Woo!
Come on, fishy!
Fish on, waiting for it.
Come on.
Yeah, fishy.
Hoping this goes to Rono. A bit far away from Rono, but you get the idea.
So, my car, private plates. Seldy's car, private plates. Derek's car, we need to do something about that. I reckon we should get some comments rolling. Let's see what ideas we can get for Derek. Now, keep in mind, He loses sunglasses. Clearly can't cast. Randomly bought a jet ski after trying it for one time. So, just a few ideas. So let's get in the comments some ideas of what Derek's private number plate could be. I think it's about 9 letters. So give us your best ideas, and we'll see if we can get likes on it to then get Derek some private plates. I think it's a good idea. So let us know. We're gonna keep fishing. Sunset is nearly upon us. So let's see if we catch any more fish.
Catching any fish yet?
I caught some weed.
That's all.
That's all.
What happens when someone forgets a lighter?
In the old days of surfing, Eddie Ico died. They always had a bonfire the day before a big tournament to get to the surfing god to bring a swell. Every time we go fishing, we
catch
never get
nothing.
any fish. All right,
But-
we need a god of fish.
There was 2 fish, one for Selden, one for Misha. I gave
I'm
up
not-
after like 3 casts.
No,
so
he didn't. He actually cast more than that. But
Yeah,
I would
and I
like to
hate
say
fishing,
that
so-
I would like actually getting him fishing today was
quite an achievement.
never seen him fish before once,
fish.
maybe. But Nemo, I don't consider as counting fish today.
No,
We failed. Salty Fisho, James, we're sorry.
you need to help us out here.
You
mate.
need to.
Like, we
Stop.
we
Oi,
need something.
James, we need to make a day. There needs to be a time.
We've been trying to organise it. You keep bailing on us, bro.
No more cancelling,
Where's
James.
the collab?
All right, we need to go. We want the big dog.
So we're gonna enjoy a fire. We might go fishing tomorrow morning. Depends how the night goes. But other than that, we will definitely see us on the next one. We need to give up fishing, I think.
We don't. I
do.
will be back the next time with fishing. We are not last minute skiing. We are last minute living, and we're going to do lots of different stuff. We're going to come back fish. James is going to make sure. James,
100%, James, sort it out.
this is your responsibility.
Let's make it happen.
See you, James. See you, everyone.
Catch ya.
What's up, team?
Derek, mate,
Yeah, buddy.
you're still rigging up.
Oh no, this is the second lot, buddy.
Why? What happened to the first rig?
This big fish took it, mate.
You shine off. I don't know which one you want to do, but Derek,
Come on.
feel that. Signing off from Channel 10 News. Bye-bye.